ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। Today our topic is what kind of benefit we get from practicing yogasana and pranayama. This is very general thing that if we practice yogasana and pranayama, we achieve a good health. We have a good health. No, it is not right answer. Health is a subject. You have integral approach. Physical health, mental health, social health, spiritual health, and economical health. And if the well-being condition of all these five aspects in your life, then you are a healthy person. Otherwise, not. So, practicing yogasana and pranayama, it is not enough. It is essential to practice Ashtanga yoga. So, yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi, the 8 limbs of yoga. And if those people practicing these 8 limbs of yoga in his life, the life is yoga maya, is ponding over the yoga, then only he is a yogi. So, the benefit of a yogi, a benefit of practicing yoga means not that only you practice asana or practice pranayama or something meditation. These 3 things, maximum people are practicing these 3 things. No, it is not right. So, the benefit part is what kind of benefit actually you get from this practicing yoga, and if your life is like a yogi. First, in Patanjali Maharishi Sutra, Yogena Chittasya Padena Vacha Malam Sarirasya Chavaidhyakena Yopa Karotam Pravaram Muninam Patanjalim Pranjalirvanatoshmi. So, Yogena Chittasya, the first benefit of practicing yoga, if you will be a good yogi, if you are like your life is like a yogi, then first thing is Yogena Chittasya. So, by practicing yoga, you cleansing your chitta, your chitta is in a good condition. Otherwise, the negative chitta, the malapurna chitta, chitta is a state of mind, the antakarana chatushthayo, mana, buddhi, chitta, and ahankara. These 4 limbs of mana, you may say chitta. So, by the language of Maharishi Patanjali, this is his only one word is chitta. So, the first benefit of yoga is yogena chittasya. And the first sutra is there in Patanjali that yoga chitta vritti nirodha. So, if you practice yoga, then your chitta with the flow of thought, the excessive thought, those people, overthinking people actually, those people are in overthinking. Your mind must be cool, calm, and relaxed, and your mind is creative mind. So this is the main thing, that yogena chittasya, and the second is yogas chitta vritti nirodha. And same dialogue in Gita, Bhagavan Sri Krishna told, yoge laye sambodhaye chittam vikiptam samayet puna sakasayam bijaniyat na kinchit api chintayet. So, na kinchit api chintayet. The no single thought come to your mind, inside your mind. You just thoughtlessness, timelessness, feelings of no thought at all in the mind. So, when there is no thought, then what? Then the subject, it moved towards Vedanta Shastra and all this Upanishada. This is Sankhya and Karma Yoga. So, if you practice yoga, then your state of mind is creative mind, your state of mind is zero mind, your state of mind is no thought mind. This is the basic benefit of yoga. So, if you practicing yoga, by practicing yoga, Srischa Pragyasya Videhina iti. in pranayama, the sutra is there. Pranesya devase sarvam tridive yat pratishtitam tamatev putran rakhyasva srishya pragyasya videhi. So, what kind of benefit we get from asana and pranayama? Well, the first word is Sri. If you practice yoga, you will be wealthy. Oh, you say, how it is possible if I practice yogasana and pranayama and meditation and I will be wealthy? So, yeah, you're a multimillionaire. How? So, first thing, if you practice as yogasana, pranayama, and dhyana, and all 8 limbs of yoga, so you more creativity. You are your more creative personality. You are more healthy, wealthy. You are just energetic person. The yoga practitioner person and those people who practice yoga, they are more energetic than them. They are more creative than them. So they attend any work, any job, long time without divert themselves, without destroy their time, and they focus on their work because their mind is so meditative mind. So, practicing this asana and pranayama, actually, tejas tesam cha jayate. So, Ayu pragya balam viryam tejas tesam jayate. This is the another benefit of yoga. First thing, what if you practice yoga? Ayu means your lifespan, your age will live more in good condition, in healthy condition, in sound condition, in balanced condition. So Ayu, then another one is pragya, samatto buddhi. That is called pragyavan buddhi. Sthita pragya saka bhasa sthita pragya kimuchyate in Gita. This was the question of Arjuna to Krishna. So Ayu pragya balam, and you are more powerful, you are more strengthy, you are more healthy, you have some power and strength and energetic. You are more energetic than non-yoga people, non-yogi people, those people not practicing yoga. If you practice yoga, you are more energetic than other. So Ayu pragya balam viryam. Then your semen is more good and good condition, your semen is strong, your semen is so developed level. Your child are more energetic. Your reproductive organs are so strong. Ayu pragya balam viryam tejas tesam. Your teja, your teja is there. The enlightenment, light of body, your aura, your abhamandala, your teja, your current, this is so strong and higher and it is, edging like nothing. So, Ayu pragya balam viryam tejas tesam jayate. These all basic benefit of practicing yoga regularly means if you are a yogi, if you practice every day, or in right way, if you practice yogasana, pranayama, dhyana, dharana, samadhi, all these things, then this kind of benefits. So, this is to say you get a good health, your muscle is good, your internal organs are acting good, their activity is good, they are functioning right way. Okay, this is very basic thing. Naturally, all the system inside your body, the breathing system and digestive system and explanatory system and blood circulatory system and all this system, they functioning right way. This is very basic thing. You turn up your body, your elasticity, muscles elasticity naturally. So these all are very natural benefit. But what is real internal benefit? What is the secret of yoga? We will discuss in next video, next talk. So, it is my request that you practice yoga every day in right way and not haphazardly, with the right instructor, with experienced instructor, right yogi, then only you achieve you get this all kind of benefit. So if you feel good for this video, then please kindly like, share, comment all this thing, and any kind of comment, please. Thank you. Namaskaram.